Hi all! Want to monitor your AWS resources securely with Site24x7? In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a Role ARN for cross-account access and integrate your AWS account with Site24x7 using IAM roles. Let's start by creating an IAM role in the AWS Management Console. For this, navigate to the AWS IAM console. Go to Access Management and Roles. In the Roles page, click Create Role. Choose AWS account as the trusted entity type. In the following section, select the Another AWS account option. In the Account ID field, enter Site24x7's AWS account ID, which you will find on the Site24x7 Integrate AWS account page. Select the Require External ID checkbox and then copy and paste the external ID from Site24x7's Integrate AWS account page and then click Next. Ensure that the Require MFA checkbox remains unchecked. This sets up the trust relationship between your AWS account and Site24x7. Next, we'll attach the necessary permissions for Site24x7 to read your AWS environment. In the Add Permissions page, search for and select Read-Only Access and then click Next. Now, enter your IAM role name and description. Next, review your settings and click Create Role. After you create the Role ARN, locate the Role ARN in the Role Summary page and copy it. This Role ARN will be used to integrate your AWS account with Site24x7. Now, let's switch to the Site24x7 console and complete the integration. For that, log in to the Site24x7 web console, go to Cloud, AWS, Integrate AWS account section. Then choose your AWS account type. Under Register with IAM role option, paste the Role ARN you copied earlier and add a display name for your account. Now, configure monitoring preferences like thresholds, notification profiles, and finally, click Discover AWS Resources. Site24x7 will automatically detect and monitor supported AWS services using the permissions you granted. And that's it. You have successfully enabled cross-account access and connected your AWS account with Site24x7. Thank you and happy monitoring.